Hello and welcome to PDF Maker. Today in this video we will learn how you can add the PDF Maker add-on into your Google Forms. First select the Google form in which you want the add-on. Now click on the three dots and click on Get Add-on. As you can see, Google Workspace Meta Place is opened in the search bar. We will search for PDF Maker. Click Enter. Select the add-on. Now click Install. Continue. Select the email address that you want to add. Now click on Continue. Give all the necessary permissions and click on Allow. And now you are all set to use the add-on into the Google Forms. I hope you understood the whole process. Thanks for watching.